It has only been in the last decade or so that blockchain technology has become popular worldwide, gaining attention from distributed computing systems and wide availability of computing power. Today, blockchain is among the top emerging technologies for both consumer and enterprise use. But how will this influence immersive technologies like augmented and virtual reality? Hello and welcome to XR Today. I'm your technology presenter Isabel Blakemore, and in this video I'll be going through the significance of blockchain to help you understand it in more detail. So first, let's define blockchain. Blockchain is defined as a data storage and transmission system built on a distributed ledger, where the ledger comprises of a growing list of records or blocks, each storing a data unit. The blocks are connected to each other using cryptography to ensure secure data transmission. Blockchain technology could revolutionize financial transactions. In traditional transactions, there is a centralized sender and recipient with a regulatory body governing the terms and conditions. It disrupts the pathway by introducing a distributed structure where each piece of transaction information is stored in a different computing mode. There is no centralized body, and everyone involved in the blockchain transaction has transparent visibility into this pathway. Blockchain is characterized by the following 5 key features. The first is immutability. Once a data unit has been entered into a block on the blockchain, it cannot be deleted or modified in any way. A change to the blockchain will just be recorded as another data unit with full visibility into when and by who the change was initiated. This makes data stored by using blockchain unchangeable in nature and largely immune to corruption. The second one is decentralization. Decentralization is an inherent characteristic of blockchain, which means there is no single governing body or regulatory authority managing it. If a governing body was to formulate rules regulating the use of blockchain, it would be next to impossible to enforce those rules. This is because a single blockchain relies on multiple computing systems in different locations, so not a single system owns it fully. The third is consensus-driven. Consensus is linked to the decentralized nature of blockchain, and as the blockchain is owned and managed by a group of computing systems, approval or consensus from each system is needed to make any addition to the blockchain. And the fourth is distributed ledgers. There are 2 types of blockchain, a public ledger and a private or federated blockchain. Both types involve data records held across a distributed ledger with multiple stakeholders having visibility into what the ledger contains. And the final one is security. Cryptography is at the core of blockchain technology, with every data unit encrypted through a cryptographic hash. In other words, the true nature of the data remains hidden unless a person has access to a cryptographic key. So let's go into some companies offering blockchain XR solutions. There are a number of companies already making inroads into blockchain for the AR/VR space. For example, Gazecoin has developed a blockchain-based cryptocurrency system that operates using gaze and eye tracking. Even Meta has announced the blockchain will play an important role in its vision of the metaverse, firmly positioning this technology as a game changer for the future. That's all from me, but if you do want more information about blockchain or anything else going on in the XR world, click on the link below this video, which will take you straight over to the XR website. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the XR channel for regular videos and news updates, and follow our socials so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching.